Your brand new iPhone deserves the best protection, and the iLune 3-pack screen protector plus 3-pack camera lens protector has you covered. Don't take risks with your iPhone. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Hey everyone, welcome back to ElectroDrive News, your premier source for all things electric and sustainable mobility. I'm your host, Emma, and today we're diving into some exciting news from Nissan that's got us all buzzing. So, you might have heard rumors about a new generation of the iconic Nissan Frontier pickup truck. Well, it's finally official. Nissan has confirmed that their next-gen Frontier will be powered by a plug-in hybrid powertrain. But before we get to the details, let's talk about what this means for the future of EVs in America. With the Trump administration weighing or implementing increased tariffs on foreign-made vehicles and parts, Nissan has a plan. And that plan involves bringing back some key manufacturing expertise from China. The new Frontier Pro, unveiled at the Shanghai Auto Show, is actually based on the Chinese Dongfeng Z9 and not related to the American Frontier. But don't worry, this means that the truck will debut in China first and then make its way to other markets. Now, let's take a closer look at what makes this hybrid system so impressive. Nissan claims that the 1.5-liter inline-4 powertrain produces a combined 402 horsepower and 590 pound-feet of torque. And with an estimated EV range of around 84 miles under the NEDC standard, roughly 60 miles in EPA testing, this thing is a beast. But what really gets us excited here at ElectroDrive News is the intelligent AWD system and that onboard power outlet that can deliver up to 6 kW of power. This truck is basically turning into an all-purpose vehicle, perfect for tackling tough off-road jobs or just running errands around town. Now, let's not forget about Nissan's latest reveal in Shanghai, the Dongfeng Nissan N7 sedan. With its super low drag coefficient and sleek design, this car is a real head-turner. And with some serious specs to boot, including 58 kWh and 73 kWh lithium iron phosphate batteries, delivering around 222 miles and 277 miles of range, respectively. But here's the thing, these vehicles aren't exactly built for our American market just yet. The Frontier Pro is expected to hit the US roads in 2028, after Nissan has to build that truck and source materials domestically. And as for electric sedans, it seems like Nissan's put those plans on hold for now. However, with some clever partnerships and tech know-how being passed down from their Chinese counterparts, we're optimistic about what's to come for Nissan's American EV offerings. So stay tuned, folks, the future of sustainable mobility is looking bright indeed. Thanks for tuning in to this episode of ElectroDrive News, and don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video informative and entertaining. We'll be back with more news on the world of electric vehicles soon enough.